Nice. That one always works. That's very good. So, okay. Back to the thing. I was talking about this. So, Raspberry Pi connects to PX4 5X or whatever it's called. Yes, here's PX4 5X. And that connects to my laptop. Yeah, and their laptop connects via Wi-Fi to the Raspberry Pi, which is why I'm able to see what it's doing here. So, that works. That is a pain in the ass. So, I've gone through like a million different tutorials. That one seems like it's not quite my setup, but it might as well try. So that one I think I've set up already. Right, I should also cue from... There will be a weird robotic noise, voice in a second. And it's a different one than the ones you're used to. Please don't dox me.
Hold flight mode.
Okay. Okay. Don't care. So what we're looking at here is... Wait, what was the command again? So... might look like that. Okay, netman show was the command to check. Static. All of that looks kinda okay. Now, how do I have to set up the Raspi though? So that one I've done already as well. Still seeing the weird behavior here. Is that live? Yes, that looks good. And that also looks good. Okay. So I'm just reading the thing here. That's not the same as the same setup as I have. I don't think that's applicable to my situation. I think I only have to like set up the Raspberry Pi to static IP or something like that. That's something I want to try on the thing. So. Does that look like that thing? No. Okay, that's because I haven't created a static IP for it yet. Because you might notice that every now and then pops up that it can't connect. So, yeah, the wired connection is having trouble. So that just keeps trying to connect, but it can't. So why? I think I just need to set it up. Wait, didn't that thing set it to 3? Oh, that set it to 4. Okay. I guess I'm gonna try to set the Raspi to 3 and then communicate between the two. Okay, how do I set static IP on Raspi? I'm sure I have this open like a million times. Wait, I think I asked ChatGPT once. A couple of days ago. No. Ask Gemini? Oh yes. I asked Gemini. So, let's pull that up. What did that say? Like that, I've heard about that. That's, the thing with the setup here, I've tried once already, so let's skip that for now. Wait. Paste. Okay, that doesn't exist. Let's exit. That's not. Okay, wait. Let's take a step back. Raspi setup. Oh. Let's do that. Wait. Because the problem here is I have to set up static IP for the Ethernet port, but the Wi-Fi port has to be untouched. Now the question, do I do it properly or do I just ask Gemini and then just send it? Link between two devices. What does this guy mean? Static IP in that. Want the priority or Ethernet for an internet connection. Okay, that sounds similar to my problem, I guess. Standard static IP. Okay. Wait, is it all the same guy answering it himself? No. Wait, what? Okay. What the fuck is that guy doing? What the hell is that? Okay, that needs to be a better guide than that. Than just like checking some forum. Okay, Reddit might actually be good. Okay, I think I'll just ask ChatGPT and just send whatever it comes up with, because I have sort of run out of ideas. So I have this set up. Raspberry. How the fuck does it do it? Raspberry. How the fuck? Wait. Raspberry Pi. Okay. Pi. That is connected via Wi-Fi to the internet and is connected directly to a X-Hawk 5X Ethernet. On the Ethernet there is nothing in between those two. I now want to set the Raspi up with a static IP on the 0 port so the two can communicate while keeping the Wi-Fi connection intact. Because otherwise I would not be able to control it anymore. Let's just see what it comes up with. Okay. It just doesn't want to work either. Yeah, I feel your ChatGPT. I also don't want to work on this project anymore. Okay, let's refresh. Come on, you can't tell me that fucking ChatGPT is down right now. What the hell? Okay, wait, let me try a new chat. Why is ChatGPT always down when I'm streaming and doing something fit? What? Okay, let's try Gemini. So. Currently no DHCPCD.conf exists. Okay, let's see if that one exists. Nope. That file doesn't exist either. Oh, wait, that might be it. Wait, what the fuck? Sudo raspi config. Interface options. Okay, maybe I should read what it has to say. Networking and choose manual. I don't see networking here, right? Wireless on, audio, password, host name. That's not really the face. Stage, let's see. Serial port, remote GPIO, oh, nope. Nope. That doesn't look good either. Okay, let's just update that and see if I'm just running a too old version. So, wait for the update. Still doing something, I guess. So, meantime, I'm clicking up. That was the wrong browser. Anyways. Oh. Whoops. So, okay, that's still updating. In the meantime, I can go. Wait, is it? Yes, that's possible. Okay. How can I check which network managing tool is used? My Raspi. I am using Ubuntu 2204 from the Raspi launcher thingy, if that is any help. Yo, how's it going, Shadow Wolf? Most likely systemd. I can confirm that. Okay. It's going there. Same though. Oh, wait, that did update. Nice. That looks the same as before. That looks the same as before. Yeah, I don't think that's it. So, then let's try the other thing. Yeah. But like, yeah, it's also not going great here. Because I'm working on a project I have to finish until next week for university, and like, yeah, everything is failing. Hopefully not me in the end. That tea was still very hot. That doesn't sound like, oops, that doesn't sound like it would be enabled. indicates that that is actually not active. What I can do. Look for other service processes. If the command, then that might. Okay, let's try that. God damn it, I forgot that Control C doesn't copy from Linux thing. Very horrible stress of a college student that is his own group's senior person. I have to handle all the problems, and this time the problem is huge and everything is going to shit. Yep, I mean, I don't have to be like the senior person, I guess, but like, yeah, I also have like 3 projects that I have to do basically this week's. Yeah, I don't know how that will go. I hope that I get at least 2 of them done. Those 2 would be quite important. Yeah, but yeah. I hope you can at least chill a little bit now in the evening or something like that. Or like at least have something chill on in the background while working. I don't know. But yeah, I guess that's just like those 1 or 2 months at the end of the semester. At some point, just look forward to the summer. So, confirms that that is indeed net management tool. Okay, that's good. But like when I open that is empty. Open anyways, yes. When I open that file, it is empty. It's perfectly normal. Okay. No, that's. But that's not what we did. What we saw earlier. We earlier saw that that was disabled. But even though, as we saw earlier, it is disabled. Does your college or university not have the senior of the group thing? Like a group picks one person out that will handle stuff like questions with lecturers and problems for a group. Not really. Like usually we just like improvise, or like someone naturally says, okay, I will like write the email to the professor or something like that. But we don't have like some assignment like that usually. I'm sure there's some courses that do it like that, but that's not the norm for us. Like for this one project right now, like that's just a me alone project. Like I have my supervisor and I have to do all the stuff basically. Then I have another project that is a group project where they basically just said, okay, form groups of 3 people, but like everyone has to do their own thing, but like in the end you have to hold a presentation, all 3 of you as one group, but like none of our projects like intersect somehow. Like it's a 3D vision thing where we like have to build a 3D model, but like everyone has to build their own 3D model and go through the entire process alone, and then at the end we have to hold a presentation as 3. It's kind of weird, but like I guess they make that to save time. Wait, you all have project supervisors, goddamn. Yeah, on some projects. Like, always depends which course you take. Yeah. So there might be a different actually too. Okay, I think Gemini is just going in circles right now. But let's see. paste. No, that's not. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to copy that and throw it back to it, but that sounds like it's using that network manager. Which year are you in? 5th year? Like 10th semester. So like, in theory that would be my last master semester, but I will take at least one more until I'm finished. Like I'm hoping to be finished by the end of next semester. Yeah. It depends on how good things will work out. Or which course we are in Lithuania count by courses like course 1 student up to course 4. No, for us it's just semesters. Like our bachelor, like after 6th semester is like what they say is the minimum. Is like the bachelor is designed to be doable in 6 semesters, and then the master is designed to be doable in 4 semesters. So in total 10 semesters. I think the actual average for the bachelor's degree is like 11 semesters or something like that. I don't know, it's terrible. I don't know how that happened, but like it's a weird situation. Like I completed mine in 8 semesters, but like in the 2 semesters that I went over, I actually sort of started with my masters already, so I didn't really lose 2 semesters in that time. But yeah. 1 semester is pretty lost. So, what did it come up with there? Confirms that Network Manager is indeed the network management tool. Even though it said the same thing about the other thing. I don't know. Open the... Look for the... Oh, settings. Oh wait, so that thing is now the thing that's doing things. I'm very descriptive. Okay, so that's the thing that's doing the network management. Wait, for us it's 1 course is 2 semesters, 4 courses, 8 semesters for bachelor. Okay, yeah, it depends on what you study for us as well. Like on my university, most bachelors are 6 semesters. I can't think of one where it's different. But like if you study medicine or something like that, then it's, I don't know, that there is a complete different structure where it takes forever basically. Also, if you like study to become a teacher, then everything is different. Yeah, it always depends what you study. Like on my university, there's basically just sciencey stuff and like engineering, and I think for most of those it's 6 semesters and then 4 semesters. But yeah, 8 semesters for bachelor sounds terrible. My program system studies lasts 3.5 years. That's 3 courses and a semester. So I guess it's 7 semesters for my bachelor's. Yeah? Yeah, that sounds about right, yes. Okay, so like 1 semester more than it would be on my university, I guess. Yeah, those kind of things are super weird. Like, isn't like the whole ECTS thing made so that it's universally everywhere in Europe, everything is the same, sort of, but like, it isn't really. So, let's just try something here. So, wait, if I go back into this tutorial, that's not the one I meant. This one. This one is set. Okay. Just chooses everything. For DNS and router, that doesn't get specified anywhere. Cisco is going to kick my ass. Yeah. Wait, Cisco, is it like networking some stuff? Because Cisco, I only know the company that makes like routers, I think. Is it like a certification to make stuff with networking or something? .4. Wait, what did I set the other thing to? That's 3. Okay, so I'll go to work on Cisco because we have its exam on June 21st. The worst thing is I'm losing the whole month of June to exams. Yep, that sounds very familiar. Yes, Cisco is networking shit. Yeah. Okay, then good luck with that. Yeah, networking, I don't know. I have no idea about networking. Every time I have to do with anything, then yeah, I'm just completely lost. Like, it's super complicated. But yeah, good luck with that. And yeah, I know that feeling of like losing an entire month to to exams. That's just university life, I guess. Therefore, like, some other months are rather chill. Many thanks. Good luck with the project. Thank you. Good luck with your exams. So, I think I'll just set that to... I'll set it to the same thing as in the tutorial. There it uses 4, so I'm gonna do that as well. Like this. And then I have to like update that thing, which reboots the thing, and then I think then I have to restart the thing, right?
Communication lost.
Yeah, that lost the communication to that thing. Oh, that was quite loud. What? So, yeah, I think I had to restart the entire program last time. Or like at least disconnect and reconnect the thing. Anyways, in the meantime I can like set all of these things. Wait, where's Germany? What do I set gateway and DNS if the connection is directly from my Raspi to the hub with no router or anything else on the network? Don't need gateway or DNS server settings for the Ethernet connection. Okay, so I guess I'm just putting 255.255.255.0, I think. What did that have? Yeah, that had O. Wait, what? What is linking road? Okay, let's see if that connects now. Doesn't look like it. Also, I think I have to restart that program. Connection failed. Well, not the first time that I saw that.
Hold flight mode.
Okay. What was the command to look that thing up again? I'm sure, right? So with that IP now, I mean, I guess I can just set the same thing in the Raspi. Even though I don't think that will make a difference. Apply, try to connect. Okay, I don't know where I need to enter my password this time. So also let me look here. I don't even see a IP address up here. So I think that's the problem. So let's try that. What does this show? File connection. Okay. Single line type on edit the connection. Okay, wait. Yep. Connection name would be I always forget that I have to right click and copy for that thing. So connection name, that's probably a problem because of the spaces. IP addresses. Okay, so IP address 192.168.0.3/255.255.255.255. Okay. Wait, actually, what did it say here? Actually, can you give me the command to set it if I want the IP to be 192.168.0.3? Why the 24? Oh. Okay, fair enough. So right, I always try to copy with Control C, but that's not, Linux doesn't like that. And the output is that. So paste and run. And I think that's it applying network settings, and that's why it disconnected. Or like I don't have any control over it, so I assume it disconnected because it applies network settings. Yep, connection ended, which doesn't have to be bad. To switch to the HDMI thing, which you won't be able to see. And I might not either. Okay, I might have to restart the Raspi and apply the thing and hope that the Wi-Fi then comes back. Wait. Let me connect my keyboard to the Raspi. Oh! The Raspi is actually still doing things, but it did log itself out. Wait, I need to connect my mouse over there as well. 1 second. I'm just looking at a black screen at the moment because it's logging me in, I think. And in a second I will need that command, so let me throw it into the second screen over here. Okay, so it's still booting, I think. Logging in or something like that. Oh. I think now it restarted. Okay, it is restarting right now. So... So, okay. Waiting for a Raspberry Pi to boot. That always takes forever. Can I click something on my second screen even though I don't see it? Yeah. Okay, so log in here. Waiting. So, throw up a terminal. Now, wait, does okay? Wi-Fi seems to work. Wired connected? Wait. Okay, wait. Connected. Damn. Did that just work? Okay, wait, let me log out and then I think I can log back in from my PC so I can show you what's going on. Connect my mouse there again. But that would be huge if that actually worked. I didn't check if it still had the same IP address for Wi-Fi. It might not have. Give me a second, let me check that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I click that box even though I don't see it? Yes, I can. Nice. So. Wait, I should connect my mouse back to it. Yes, that's a lot of cables are going on. Hey Yosef, how's it going? I hope in a second I can show you what I'm doing right now, but right now it's kind of complicated. Okay, Wi-Fi. What are you doing, Pro? I'm trying to set up a Raspberry Pi so it can connect to like a flight controller that's later gonna be mounted on the drone, assuming everything works, and like controls the drone. But like currently, like I have to set up the Raspberry Pi so I can communicate with the thing. And currently, usually I can control the Raspberry Pi with that window up there, the remote desktop connection. But because I just changed some settings, I'm right now not able to connect it, and thus I can't show you what's going on. But it does have the right IP address. So maybe I just have to wait or something. Okay, let me log out there again and see if I can connect. So, move the mouse over to my laptop again. A lot of moving cables around today. Can I click the box even though I don't see it on the screen? Yes. Okay, nice. So, why is that not working though? That's kind of important. Why can I not remote into it? Maybe I should reboot the thing and hope for better results. Yeah. First step of troubleshooting is always just reboot the thing. Best way to practice code for Python? I would say just start a project. Like think of anything you would like to program, and if you can think of something that sounds rather simple, like my personal favorite would be to program Minesweeper, but just in the terminal window, because that's something like that is rather. Wait, why can't I reboot? It's like a rather simple project, and you learn a lot of stuff from it. Like, and you can do that from like pretty much no knowledge of Python. Just start a project and go as far as you can go, and then at some point you will hit a wall and be like, oh, I don't know how to do that, or like how to continue here. And then you like Google it or look at the documentation or even ask ChatGPT or something like that. And then you will at some point figure it out, and then you just continue the project until you hit a wall again. Like that's basically the way I learn programming usually. Just start a project like that thing, or like the duck, or like the other thing over there. Like that's part of a project that I made in JavaScript. I had no idea how to use JavaScript before that. And like, I mean, for that one, I basically just ChatGPT'd my way through it, because I just described what I wanted to ChatGPT, and then at some point I figured out how all the things that ChatGPT wrote work together, and then I was able to edit the code and make the proper project out of it. So just start a project. Or I guess for like the very beginning, there's a tutorial that I linked on my Discord somewhere from some guy on YouTube. I don't know, I didn't watch the entire tutorial, just skipped through it, and it looked like it gave you the very basics on how to start. But yeah, I think as soon as you have got the very basics of how do I make variables, how do I make lists, how do I use lists and stuff like that, as soon as you do that, you should probably look at making a project instead. So, but how Why am I not able to connect to that? Do I have to restart the server thing for that? Okay, I think I have to do that. So, put that on here. Okay, that seems to work, but I think it's destroyed the XRDP server that I used to remote into it. How can I fix that? So do okay, let's throw it on a second screen. Connect the keyboard to the Raspi again. Log in here. That was not the correct password. Write the correct password and then log in. So, hello Adnan Reza, how's it going? I hope I didn't butcher that name too much. So, let's see. Start a terminal. Can I? Oh, I wanted to mute myself, but my keyboard is connected to the Raspi instead of the laptop. Whoops. Sorry for coughing to the mic there. So, CTL status XRDP. That says running. Listening on port E389. Wait, let me write it down somewhere. 3389. So, okay. How do you analyze the question and execute the code? Wait, what? I'm not sure what you mean about that. How do I analyze the question and execute the code? You mean if I ask ChatGPT something and then like get the answer and like it gives me code, how I run that? Or what do you mean with that exactly? Okay, XRDP should be running. Okay, I guess restarting would be an idea. How the code run that? So I guess you mean how I run code. I would say, assuming you're a complete beginner and has never programmed anything, I would go with like the program PyCharm, or like if you, assuming you're using Python, because like that's I think the easiest way to get started. If you start with Python, I think Python is like the easiest programming language to start with. And if you're using the program PyCharm from JetBrains, I think, then there's like everything that you need to run the code built into the program. And yeah, that's a quite solid one. And it's also, they have a free version for like normal people. So like if you don't run a business with it, then it's free for you. So let's log out here and see if I can log back in from my PC. That does not look like it. Is there something I can change here? I don't think so. Do I have to use the other IP address? No, right? That makes no sense. Why would I have to use the IP address that's there for the Ethernet? Which country are you there? I'm from Austria, like in the middle of Europe. That one, not the one that's its own continent down below Asia. Austria, the one in Europe, not the one with the kangaroos. Okay, so why am I not able to connect to that? XRDP is on and working. I also restarted it to test it. The IP address is also the correct one. I guess I still should check, like... Are you in Australia? Nope, other one. Not the big one that is its own continent. The small one that's in the middle of Europe. But I feel like we have a lot, those two countries have like a lot in common in a weird way. My cousin is in Australia. Oh, cool. Do you like ever get used to spiders to like those huge like huntsman spiders if you are in Australia? Like, I know that's like the first thing everyone thinks of when they think of Australia, right? I'm not the only one. I should take my mouse over there again. I mean, I guess if you are from Australia, then like you get used to that at some point. But like if you're not in Australia, then you're like, what do you mean they have spiders that are this big? So, but like, like that's the correct IP address. What? You're a nice guy. Thanks. I don't know how to respond to that. Not used to getting compliments. So, right, I wanted to test if I have internet on here. Because if I don't have internet, then that might explain things. I mean, I guess if that thing doesn't work, then I could in theory just ignore it. It would just be very boring for stream because you'd mostly be looking at nothing. Okay, can it open YouTube? It's quite slow. That might just be Linux. Or like, not Linux, that might just be the Raspi. History is off. I don't care. Okay, so it looks like it does have internet, but very slow. But that's sort of what I'm used to from that Raspi. Okay. Searching for a YouTube channel, did find stuff from him. Okay. So it has internet. It is XRDP enabled. The IP address is correct. Wait, what happens if I go and connect mouse over here again? So usually when I'm logged in and trying to connect anyways, then it would connect, but like only show black screen. This time it doesn't seem like it's connecting at all. Okay, I don't know why that remote thing isn't working. I guess I could just like go and continue the project and like not care about the remoting stuff, because that was more a comfort thing. Wait, let me ping 192.168.04. Oh, okay, so that seems to work. Okay, so it seems the part that is important is working, but the part where I can see it on my laptop is not working. Do I now spend time to try and fix that? I probably should. Wait, is maybe XRDP is using the Ethernet instead of the Wi-Fi thing. Maybe that's the thing that could be the case. Okay, let's connect everything back to the laptop and troubleshoot. So, let's ask Gemini what it thinks. So, could it be that XRTP listens on the EDHO port instead of the Wi-Fi? If so, how can I check that and then fix it? So, typically listens. Okay, that's not what I mean. Instead of Wi-Fi, those two are different networks in my case. How can I check which one it listens at? Because I feel like it's listening at the Ethernet port. It typically listens to on all network interfaces. Okay, but that doesn't seem like it's the case. Okay, configuration file. Let's see if there's something interesting in the configuration file. Switching the monitor back to that thing. nano /etc/xrdp/xrdp.ini. Okay, there's things in here. Find such file, check for settings related to listening address or interface. I'm looking through it at the moment. Is there anything that looks like on screen? That's not really important. There's so many settings in here. Okay, wait. Password, ask port. Okay, no, that doesn't seem relevant. Okay, I don't think that's the case, but 1.0.0.1 I highly doubt that it changed it to that, but let's try. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so what is the other one? Oh, wait, that's not on the correct thing. Conf. Nope. Hello, P Surgeon Motivations. How's it going? Oh, P Search Motivations. Right. Very different things. So, what are you doing here? I'm working on a project for university where, wait, I did a drawing. I have to connect a Raspberry Pi to a flight controller, and that flight controller then later gets put on a drone and like controls like the different rotor speeds and everything, and the Raspberry Pi controls the flight controller basically. And what I'm currently doing is like setting that connection here up. Oh, I was wondering why I can't control C, but that's because the keyboard is connected to the wrong thing once again. Okay, and what I'm doing here is connecting those two up, and right now I'm working on why I can't connect from the laptop to the Raspberry Pi, because it was set up in a way that I can like, yeah, I can just like remote desktop connection thing onto the Raspberry Pi so that I can look at everything on my laptop and also show it on stream. But like when I changed some configs that allowed that connection to work, then that thing here up here broke. So like in theory, I guess I could like just ignore that that one isn't working because like that's relevant for the project. But that would be a quite boring stream because you would just be looking at that thing all the time, at like the duck sliding across the screen and like the follow button that in theory turns into a sub button when it hits the corner, but it seems that it hasn't hit the corner in like a 1 hour. What the fuck? Yes. So that's what I'm working on. Basically just trying to fix that connection so that I can show it on stream right now. Yes, because I don't really understand why that one broke when I fixed the other one. Yeah, it might be because now like the thing here that's listening for that connection is now maybe listening on the Ethernet port, but like on the Ethernet port only the flight controller is connected and not my that's a different network than my laptop. That's my suspicion at the moment, but so far I don't know. That's what I will Google now. Raspi XRDP. I'm an Android developer, not professional yet. Oh, cool. Have you finished any apps yet? Anything interesting? And like more in the direction of games or like some tools or something? Respect XRP, choose Wi-Fi over Ethernet. That sounds like the inverse problem also doesn't have any answers. Okay. Let's ask it in NuChat. I have a Raspi set up with XRDP. Sure, just a shopping app and a recipe app. Oh, that sounds actually quite interesting. Also, that might be useful to connect it to. Not games. I mean, yeah. Shopping app and recipe app sounds quite useful. Like, is it shopping app for like a major retailer or like a small retailer or something completely different? I feel like shopping app and recipe app might work quite well in a combination. Like that, it gives you a recipe and like immediately opens up the shopping app with like a shopping cart full of everything you need for the recipe. Something like that. It used to be. Let's make it appear it. To be able to remote into it. Here it's Wi-Fi connection. Then I set up an Ethernet connection that is on its own network without the PC I am trying to remote into from. Nah, just a project I had to do in school. Haven't done a real world project yet. I mean, still. Still quite cool. And like, I don't know. That sounds like quite a cool, quite a cool project to like have already built. And like, I'm sure you have learned a lot from those. And also, the way I look at project is always like, I remember having had a problem in that project, but then like years later, when I run into the same project, I'm gonna be like, oh wait, I had the project that same problem in a different project, and then I go and look at the code of the old project and like how I fixed it there, and then I can just copy paste it over there. Like, it feels like every time you make a new project, you just add to like your personal code base where you like have knowledge stored. That's how I generally view projects. Like, yeah. It's just like a database of, I know I had that problem and that's how I solved it. So if I run into the same problem again, I know where to find a solution to it. And I feel like if you made like a shopping app and a recipe app, like even, I don't know, if it's a school project, then it might just be more of a mock-up and like not like all the server stuff behind it or something like that, I imagine. But still, then you have a lot of solved problems there. So, back to this one. So I have a Raspi. I used to be able to remote it via its Wi-Fi connection as a PC, and that network is not connected to the internet. When I set that up, the XRTP stopped working. So it feels like now the XRTP is listening on the port connection instead of the Wi-Fi. Could that be, and how would I tell it to prioritize the Wi-Fi? Okay, let's see if it can figure that out. You're absolutely right. Okay, that's cool, because the other conversation said I'm wrong. This specifies the IP address. listens to all interfaces, including the Ethernet. Ideally, you want it to listen to the Wi-Fi IP address. Okay. Okay, but before I do that, I will take a short 2-minute break to go on the toilet. So, be right back. I have returned. So basically I want to set that to the Wi-Fi IP address, I guess. So basically I have to set bind equal 2.168.0.4. Or was it 3? Which one did? Oh wait, 27, right. Also not Bing. I'm not trying to set Bing to anything, I want to set bind. And .ini, if that is the IP of that the Raspi has on the Wi-Fi connection, right? So I don't know, this feels like it wouldn't work, but I'll try it anyways, because I'm getting a little bit desperate. Just a little bit though. So got the ini. Searching for that thing. Wait, can I? Find not found. Never mind. What? being scanned. Oh wait, there's a couple of things here. Those are comments. Okay, back to... Oh wait, I didn't remove the pause timer thing. There. Back to asking Gemini. Well, actually, let's see if ChatGPT is back up and ask that. Yep. Maybe then we get a different answer. Do I have multiple instances of Gemini open? So. That's not the thing. That's not what I need. Pretty sure. Okay, I think instead of fixing that, I will just quickly check if I actually did fix the part that's actually necessary for the project. And yeah, because if that works, I'm slightly hesitant to... Okay, that does not seem to work. Wait. Never mind then, I guess. Wait, can I go into this thing? Ping 192.168.0.3. Yes. I can wait, how do I stop it? Why is Control C not the stopping thing? Is it maybe... Oh, it just stopped itself after 10. Okay, fair. Do I have to like maybe change the parameters? I'm pretty sure I did change the parameters already, but let's recheck. F2 config Ethernet broadcast, always broadcast. That looks like a 1. Yeah, it's quite cool when like the guide says 1 and like the values I can choose is always broadcast or only multicast, and like the default value is 0. That's very helpful. That's very, very helpful. So math to mode. Normal. Okay, normal sounds good. Radio CTL disabled. 0 is probably disabled. Rate 100k. That looks like 100k. And those two numbers look like those two numbers. Good. Now, why? Okay, first of all, we try that. I don't know. That shouldn't have changed, but like, why not? So, and back to the Raspi. Let's also connect the mouse for once. Okay, so if they're connected, why is the shit not working? sudo reboot. Let's just reboot the Raspi one more time. Okay. Mouse back here. Nope, that was the wrong button. Come on. Let me switch back to HDMI. Yeah, that's better. That is better. So let's set up. Yeah, that's not quite what I need. But like, where is that one set? Oh, just up here. Okay. But this one doesn't do anything for me, which is weird because okay, originally we planned to use serial communication where that worked already, but like we had some other problems, so we tried Ethernet instead. Now we have the same problem with like a different problem with Ethernet. Okay, let me see if I can connect now after that reboot. I don't have high hopes there, but you know, might as well try. Doesn't look like it. Nope. That does not look like it. Okay, so good. That means I will have to swap over to Raspi again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, I might just reboot the other thing as well.
Communication lost.
Yes, everything is fine. So, open that up. Oh, that was. I'm glad you didn't see that. I just went like arrow up in the terminal window, which gives you the last command because I wanted to restart the thing that I did before I rebooted it. But like the last command was sudo reboot, and I like did arrow up and enter, and Yeah, the Raspi rebooted. God damn. Okay. In the meantime, so back here. Wait, what was it called? Info? Was that it? Nope. Show. That okay? No. I need to restart that thing as well because for some reason it doesn't reconnect sometimes. I don't know. Admin show.
Hold flight mode.
Don't swap to things that I don't want to see. Show. So that looks good. So swapping over to God damn it, I'm always pressing the wrong button on my monitor. So that's now connected to Raspi. Right, I forgot. I still can't mute myself if I'm not connected with the laptop or with the keyboard. Yeah. So, try that again. This time don't reboot, but do that instead. Okay, so why the fuck is that shit not working? So I've now got two problems. So let's go back into this drawing. So my two problems is this one stopped working. This one's still working. This one is now working. This one still isn't. Or like, I don't know, maybe it is, but like, it's broken. Wait, which firmware did I put it on it at the moment? I might have to rebuild the firmware and put the new one on it and see. Wait, let me check that. Because the thing is, the firmware for the flight controller is something that we have to like that we can like edit, and it might be that I just edited it in a weird way the last time I tried something, and that is the reason I get the output that looks like it's not working. Oh wait, now I have to check where the file is again that I have to edit. Oh, right. My mouse is also connected to the wrong thing. Yeah, I feel like half of this stream is just me connecting my mouse and my keyboard to different things over and over again. So, let's move that over here. DS. So, connect it to the other thing again. swap my monitor to the other thing. So it's in source modules, source modules, and then UXRC DDS client, and in here. Okay, so that looks pretty full, so that shouldn't be the problem. I know you can see it, but yeah, there's no way for me to show it right now. Wait, what was the command to build that thing again? Okay, now I've got to go fucking forever up again in the history. Must have been this one. Also, we need a USB stick. Give me a second. What do you mean no work to do? Oh, because it didn't change anything, right? Let's get rid of that thing. Like that. So, top. 1 second. So, I've got a USB stick. Wait, how can I even connect that? Oh, over there. So, that thing is building. In the meantime, I could try something. Wait. Split that, split that. Oh, whoops, I forgot that my keyboard is connected. Shit. Here. Yeah. I forgot what my keyboard is connected with. I tried to type something on the Raspi, but goddammit. I want to take the time that it needs to compile and try something else in the meantime, but it finished compiling way quicker than I expected. So wait, where's the thing in the end? Was it build? Was that thing, right? Like copy. God damn it! Forgot which thing. Oh no, it's now. Ah. 1 second. Paste. Perfect. Check that thing. So now connect everything back. So put that out here. Oh wait, my cam is still missing. Okay, I guess I'll have to deal with using the touchpad instead of the mouse, because I have run out of USB connections. So, here, let's throw new firmware on that thing, which we do by type of firmware, disconnecting the thing, connecting it again. I mean, okay, let's first try the standard firmware. Which is also something you can try. So, okay. Don't know why it takes this long. Usually it doesn't. Oh wait, it's downloading the firmware. Did I not try the default one on this PC yet? Nah, I must have. I don't know, maybe I reinstalled something. So, board upgrade complete. Perfect. So,
Hold flight mode.
cool. So, do the parameters still good? That looks exactly like before. Good. Here, I want to check this. Wait, I didn't need to type over there. Ping 168.0. I think 3 was the Raspi. It's good. And 4 should be itself. Which I would be surprised if that... I mean, that doesn't really say anything. Yeah, 0 milliseconds, that sounds like it's pinging itself. So, if I now swap over to the Raspi once again, which means you can see anything once again. Yep. That doesn't look very promising. Nope, still nothing. Okay, so... Wait. What's the port again of this thing? Do I have to change the port to that thing? Probably, right? I typed the wrong thing again. Like, that's the mufflink remote port, not the thing port. I don't know, let's try it anyways. 14550. 14550, pretty sure that doesn't do anything. Nope. Does not do anything. Why does this not do anything? I don't know. Let's throw the other firmware on it. Try that. Yep. Advanced settings. Custom firmware file, which is on here. This one. So meantime, that's still loading up there. Upgrade complete. Okay, back to the Raspi.
Hold flight mode.
That does nothing. What if I reboot that thing? Yep.
Communication lost.
Wait, can I ping it? Is it here? Okay, it's here. But that thing still doesn't work. Okay, time to read some guides again. And also time to get rid of my USB. What the fuck is this bot? What? Is my laptop really getting that hot or what? Okay, so time to read some stuff. The if using Ethernet connection. Wait. Is that maybe set wrong?
Hold flight mode.
PX4 Ethernet port 8888. That all looks correct. Oh wait, that might be wrong. That is wrong. Right, okay, so AGIP. Ah, there we go. Convert IP. Okay, let's try that. I think that might be a solid contender for what would be wrong. IP.py. .0.free. Okay, wait. 106.273.177.3. And what would it be if it did the same with 4 at the end? Then it would just be 106.273.177.2. Why when the number go up, number go down? Doesn't make sense. So, okay, anyways, let's try and set these. So that was free. Wait, do I need the IP address of the Raspi or the IP address of the other thing? Select that agent IP address will be set and used. What was agent and what was client again? What was the agent again? Oh, I think that's should be that one, right? Requires vehicle reboot to take effect. Well, let's actually
Communication lost.
restart the entire program. Plug that back in. Start the program again. So, vehicle setup.
Hold flight mode.
There, it found it. And parameters UX RC. Yep. That's changed. Wait, what was the other thing that I need to change? Port. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, I mean, I guess I'll just try if it works now, and otherwise I'll continue reading. It does not look like it's working. Nope. Okay. Back to the drawing board. So, okay, let's read the entire thing again, or like just skim over it. Don't need to care about that, I think. So, agent installation, yeah. Pretty sure I did that at some point. Start the agent, that is the thing it is. Not sure what the difference here is. Okay, so following the instructions. Yeah, I did that. Starting the agent and client. Starting the agent. Okay, interesting. Note that the support made channel options, but PX4 only supports UDP and serial connections. Okay. For each channel over which you need to connect. For example, the PX4 simulator runs on client over UDP. Import that, so connect to the simulator. Use that. Working with real hardware. So your hardware or its channel. For example, if you're using Raspi UART serial port, you might connect using this command. So we are not using UARTs, we are using Ethernet thingy. I mean, I guess I can. I just realized it didn't test that with the other one. There was just a 2 at the end, if I remember correctly. Yes. So let's restart that, test the other one.
Communication lost.
That's fine. That's what we expect. I don't have high hopes for that, but you know. Might work.
Hold flight mode.
So, whoops. What? Vehicle setup. The UXRC. Yes, that looks good. So over to the Raspi again. Run the thing. And it's not working. Why? Why is it not working? Where was I? Here. Using those parameters. So, CFG Ethernet. Good. Save. Fusing an Ethernet connection. Port 8888. Sounds good. That's the IP. I did that. Okay, that doesn't sound like I need that. Okay, that's set like that anyways. Wait, did that thing never hit the corner in the last more than 2 hours? What the fuck? Yeah, let's restart it, give it a different seed. Like either my code is not working, that's switching the image, or it didn't hit a corner, and I think it didn't hit a corner. I'm pretty sure we checked the image switching. So also started using command line. This can be called as part of system start or for nothing shell. Need to set custom client namespace as a part provided for this purpose. Following command can be used to connect via Ethernet to a remote host at that. Set the client namespace to that. Okay, let's try that thing. That's so. Why did it not copy paste? What? So, but instead of that, we use free. Using a command line port. Is that the Q ground control thing command line? Or is it like the command line on the Raspi? Wait, did it just hit the corner? What happened there? Wait, did it? Wait, where's the corner thing? It's pretty easy. Is that still drawing like a flashing image for a second if it hits a corner? No, it doesn't. But did it hit the corner? I don't know. Back to the task at hand. I guess I just try throwing that into the console window here. Failed. Task already running. Okay. Can I like say stop or something? Oh. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong IP. God damn. So if I do that again, it says task already running. Okay, so stop does in fact do things. And try that. Go over to the Raspi. Start the client. Oh! I think it's working. Wait. I mean, you don't see anything, but I think it's working. So... Come on, work. It's not working. Why? What? What the hell? like the thing connected? Oh, it disconnected. No, it's connected. Oh, nice. I know you can't see it, but that looks pretty good. Wait, did I load the standard one on there or the one that I built last time? I think the one that I built, right? Because it looks like I just solved all the problems that I had. Holy shit. And you can't see any of it because the thing... Okay, I solved all the problems and reintroduced one, which is the one that makes it possible to show it to you. But like... you know, that's not the important part. Okay, that's actually sort of an important part of the project, but like... not the least important one. Yeah. So I will... I will now go back. Oh, whoops. Where the fuck did I put my... Here. I will now go and rebuild the firmware to the exact things that I need. Assuming I remember what things I need. Okay. Right, I need the keyboard over here. So, oh my god. If that thing works, that's so huge. Okay, I just need to look. Okay, I have ran these commands like half a year ago. I have to go through the entire history again. Like, if I knew more about Linux, then I could probably find an easier way to do that, but... For now, it'll do. So... Okay, so good. Let me rebuild the thing, but this time only with the ones I need. Oh god, which ones do I need though? Put it here to see examples of boards in here. Right, so VSC opening up. So I need... I should write these down. Okay, wait, let me write them on my phone. Oh, I got a message. 1 second. Oof. Let me write these down. I need off-board control mode. I need trajectory set point. Why do I need that? vehicle command vehicle control mode. And that's pretty much it, but there was one other one that I used to see if it works. To topic echo slash drone slash FMU slash out slash control mode. Oh, wait. Like this. Message tab is in. Oh god damn it. That's why. That's because I need to do that in the thing where I sourced it, right? I remember. To topic echo drone FMU out vehicle control mode. So, flag armed false. That's not ideal. So install setup.bash, then Raspi echo slash drone slash FMU slash out vehicle control mode. Sick. What do you mean? Do you mean that that or that? Like, do you mean that like weird text that's on screen, or like any of the of the weird things, or the thing that I'm basically narrating because it can't see it? Was that the thing I wrote? No, it wasn't. Wait. Open recent. Which one was mine? Is it that one? That does not look like it. Oh, I've made too many things. Too many files here. Where is the relay thing? Relay CPP. That's empty. Fuck. Okay, wait. No. Which workspace was that? This one, I think. I don't remember how I did that back when I used that. Okay, so like okay, let me just go and make a new firmware that just has like a couple of things that are like where I just remove everything where I'm pretty sure that I don't need it. So that was in, where was it? Source, modules, XRC thing, and here. Okay. So what do I not need? That. Wait, status flags, manual control set point, precision set point, sensor compile is still useful. I think that one is useful. Come on. Okay, I think those I don't need. Needed that. Need the status. That one I don't need, so. Alright, request, routing check reply, I don't know. Off-port control mode looks good. Obstacle distance, sensor optical flow, Bluetooth set point. All of these seem useless. Visual odometry. Okay, read command I think I need. Will execute whatever the fuck that is. Trajectory waypoint. Thrust set point I might need. Torque set point. Actuator motors. Actuator servos. Okay, that looks reasonable. So, compile a new thing. Wait, what? And 8, column 3. What? Why did the build fail? For 20? I don't know, try it again. What the hell? Okay, but like if I do that, okay, then nothing fails. Okay, let me remove some. Okay, cancel that. Save this. Rebuild it. So, times and status. That can go away, I think. Whatever that is can go away. Those can go away. And that can go away as well. So, cancel that, see if it still works. Yes. So, no idea why it didn't work before, but... Don't need that. Don't need either of those. So, get that, save, check if it still works. Looks like it. Don't need whatever that is. Needed that. And that also looks useless. So, build that thing, throw it onto the thing, and then test it again. So, okay. In the meantime, go over here, build. So. So, I'm just gonna wait for that to finish building. In the meantime, did I really still not hit a corner? That's weird. Like it's either that or my code is not working, and I'm pretty sure we tested the code last time. Oh, that thing finished. That copy over here. Move the trash. Paste. So check that thing. Take it. This thing. So, I need to. Okay, I'm back on the screen and see things and do things. So that was the correct command in the end, right? Yes. So what I need to do now is go in here. Firmware. Unplug. Plug back in. Advanced settings. The custom. The USB drive, which is this. Throw it in here. Throw that on there. Then test the thing and the other thing, and yeah, then something at least works. Hopefully. Upgrade complete. Nice. So, can I go back into here?
Hold flight mode.
Right. Okay, so I think that deletes the history of everything always, right? Yes. Okay, so let's go copy, paste. That will probably tell me that it's already running, so we go and say stop. And then we try again. Then it's running. Then we go back over to the Raspi. We disconnect that thing because we don't need it anymore. The keyboard needs to go to the Raspi as well. Restart that. And it's not working. It's working! Up. It is working! It's Ah, okay. That was weird, but it's working. Nice. Cool. Nice. Okay. Maybe I don't fail that project. Maybe I don't fail it. Nice. So it looks like the problem that we've had for like half a year now on the trucking project that is supposed to take like 4 months, but like we sort of managed to stretch it out for almost a year. Okay, not almost a year, it's 7 months now. But yeah, we had one problem from the beginning and now I've finally solved that one. I reintroduced 5 other ones in the process, but those are smaller ones that I can fix. Amazing. Almost tempted to do something else right now. Maybe we'll continue on with the Jarvis project, or like, oh, I could set it up, or like I could work on fixing the thing so that you actually see something. Let's do that. Now that the important stuff is working, let's do the slightly less important but more interesting to see part. Right, I also need to swap the monitor to the laptop that I can control now. So, first, let me check something. So, where was I here? Okay, so let's just start a new chat here. I have a Raspi that is connected to a Wi-Fi and also Ethernet. The Ethernet network is a different one than the Wi-Fi one, and it also doesn't have access to the internet. It's just there to connect to one other device. How I want to remote into that Raspi from a laptop that's on the same Wi-Fi. How do I do that? Let's just completely restart the setup thing. Yes. That sounds like a bad idea. I mean that works. Oh, right, I only need to do it. So find the IP, remote desktop. You can use a network computing viewer on your laptop to connect to that. Yes, that thing, for example. I don't know if that works, because I got like an email from Real VNC like a couple of days ago that they removed the free tier. Yeah, I think there's no free tier for the thing anymore. Wait, let's... Come on, what? Yeah, control choices, don't care. Pricing. Yeah, there's no free tier anymore. Real VNC got rid of their free tier for their service. I think that's the same thing, right? So I think we have to avoid them, right? Oh, okay. Is that not like the same VNC as the thing I was using? Oh, so is that not the same real VNC thing? Okay. Okay, let's just send it and try. So first we have to recheck the IP address, even though I'm pretty sure I know that one. But I don't think I tried the AF config since the thing. What the fuck? Yeah, that's the correct IP address. Over here. So I have the IP address then. So sudo apt install real VNC server VNC server. Okay, I need to update sudo up thing. You get the idea. Okay, so well, let's update it. So, while that's updating, what do I do? Why is it updating so? What the fuck? It's not even doing anything. Ah, damn. Meantime. Place X 2 5 1 boop. Or do I? Let's do red. Oh, it's done. Yeah, then it's... able to locate package. Okay, let's try that. Install tight VNC server. Okay, that one exists at least. Okay, that's downloading. Let's continue. Wait. I have to Google something really quick. Otherwise, that might be pretty embarrassing. So, let me continue drawing. Wait, why is the second one black? Did I? Oh, I forgot the second one. Oops. Oh, where did I click? Where's the mouse? Oh, wait, that's on the second screen. I was wondering why it's so small, but I just saw the mouse in the preview. Oh, it finished installing. PC server. Those are too short. What the fuck, mate? You only password. Warning. This dude is taken because of. There's no X server. Okay, I don't understand the error message I'm getting, but let me try something. The button. That doesn't look good. God damn. Okay. Do I do that some other day? I don't know. I'm getting a bit tired now. Which is weird because it's not very late for my standards. And to be fair, I also have to cut the note short for tomorrow. Do I just call it a day? Yeah, I think I will do that. So, it has been a pleasure, even though you didn't see a lot of what I was doing. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll fix that for some other day. I mean, I have to finish that project. Maybe I fix that for Thursday and look there on it. I don't know. I should really work on it tomorrow. But I don't know if I'll do it on stream. I don't know. I will notify you on Discord if I do end up streaming that. Yeah. Other than that, was a very productive stream, even though I don't know if it was very amusing to watch it, because like most of the time we were just looking at an empty screen and me doing something off screen. I don't know, weird. Anyways, see you soon, and I don't know, subscribe on YouTube, follow on Twitch, join Discord, you get the idea. Okay, see you.